In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete GA4 events. Whether you've created an event by mistake, it's no longer needed, or you're just tidying up your Google Analytics account, removing unwanted events is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and get your GA4 account cleaned up together. First and foremost, kick things off by heading over to Google. It's the gateway to accessing a myriad of services, including Google Analytics, where we'll focus our efforts today. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll notice a Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Give that a click. This action prompts you to enter the world of your personalized Google services. Now you'll be greeted with a list of Google accounts, if you have more than one. Here, select the account associated with the Google Analytics you wish to manage. After choosing, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Privacy and security are paramount for Google, so take a moment to ensure that your login credentials are entered correctly. Once you've securely logged in, hit the Next button to proceed. You're now successfully signed into your Google account, edging closer to our main task. The next step involves locating the Google Apps icon, which is characteristically represented by a grid of dots and usually found in the top right-hand corner next to your profile picture. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu filled with various Google services. Scroll through until you find Google Analytics. It's your gateway to insights and event management, so go ahead and click it. This action will navigate you directly into your Google Analytics dashboard, a place rich with data about your site's performance and user interactions. Within Google Analytics, locate and click on Admin Settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon and can be found at the lower left corner of your screen. Your focus should now shift towards navigation within the administrative section of your GA4 property. Subsequently, your next click should be on Data Streams under the Property column. This section is essential as it houses the stream of data feeding into your analytics from your website or app. Here you'll find more granular settings related to how data is collected and managed. After accessing your data stream settings, look for the Events section. It's here that all your previously configured or automatically collected events are listed. These events range from user interactions like clicks and downloads to page views and beyond. Now, finding the event you wish to delete is next on your agenda. Upon locating it, you may notice an option to Create Event. Ignore this for now, as our goal is to declutter, not add more to the list. Instead, focus on the list of existing events displayed on your screen. Once you've identified the event that no longer serves a purpose or was created in error, click on it. This action will open a detailed view of the event, where you can see more information such as its triggering conditions and associated tags. In this detailed view, you'll see 3 dots or an options menu symbol, typically located at the edge of the events row. Clicking these 3 dots will bring up a small menu with several options to modify the event. Within this menu, find and select Delete. This action is final, so you might receive a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. Take a moment to ensure that you're ready to let go of this event, as deleting it will remove any historical data associated with it from your reports. After confirming, Google Analytics will proceed to delete the event, effectively cleaning your selected data stream of any unwanted noise or redundancy. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to seamlessly delete events in GA4. It's a simple but necessary process to maintain a clutter-free and efficient Google Analytics environment. Remember, keeping your data streams and events organized will not only simplify your analytics, but also provide clearer insights into your website or app's performance. Should you decide down the line that an event you deleted was necessary after all, you always have the option to recreate it. Just be sure to note down the specifics of any event before deletion, as this will make recreating it accurately much easier. Thanks for following along with today's guide. Your Google Analytics account is now a step closer to being perfectly streamlined and easy to navigate. Keep tuning in for more tips and tricks to manage your digital presence effectively.